Hi, in this video I will show you how to use badges or your logo to watermark your photo. In case that you are a real estate agent and that you have purchased a logo from my Etsy shop. So let's say that we want to create an Instagram post with the photo of the house that you have sold. Go here on create a design and start typing IJ post. Okay, here it is. We will use the square one. Okay, so we have a blank page here and we want to upload a photo of your real estate. Because I don't have any photos, I will use one of the Canva photos here. So let's type real estate and we will choose one of these photos just for example. Okay, let's use this one. You can change the size of the photo by clicking and dragging this corner here or any corner. Okay, position your photo as you like, and now we have to upload our logo or badge that say, for example, sold or new price or something like that. So go here on uploads and upload files, and I will now upload the badges. So if you purchase a logo from my Etsy shop, you will for each badge and each logo you will receive free files with transparent background. These are PNG type of files and in free colors. So one will be the original logo color. In this case it is the gold color. Logo or badge in white color and a logo or badge in black color. We will upload all three versions here because depending on your photo and background you will use one of these three colors. Sometimes you will use the original logo color, but sometimes the all white or all black color will suit you better. So okay, we will, because we have almost white color here, we will go with the gold one. Just click on your badge here, and again by clicking and dragging in the corner you can change the size and move it wherever you like. We can place it here. So I want to show you here we have maybe slightly darker background, so we can try using this all white badge, just so you can see here. This all white badge will look good, but okay, for now we will use the gold one. You can also use your logo to watermark the images. I already have uploaded logo here. So if you don't, you will go to upload files and upload the PNG type of the file. So simply click here, resize it as you want and move it and place it wherever you want. Okay, now we have an Instagram post ready for download. When downloading files for Instagram or any web use, you should download the PNG type of file. So go here on download and click on PNG type of file and click here on download. Then simply upload your image on your Instagram feed. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.